side in first.
Detective.
It looks like heaven. On the phone.
Oh. Are we dead then? You can see my butt in heaven. Heaven, imagine. Hey!
God. Actually, I want to do it during the ride now.
No!
I won't.
Yeah, we will literally be done. We're gonna go to the real heaven. You have a little piece of glitter right here. Right here. I'm not lying.
Oh, Matt has all. Matt, don't slip.
He's sitting down with Mary's girlfriend.
That's still kind of weird.
He just rolled.
Just thinking without holding on, though.
No, you can't. Look at Mikey. Looky. Cookie. I like to eat cookie.
You're holding on when you do that, by the way. You're holding on with your body.
Oh, I'm not holding on.
Yeah, so make it.
Buddy dom. Yeah, Mikey, I'm gonna do it. Look.
Hang on. Oh, I almost fell.
I am banana.
Go away. Both of you. I need my space.
Mikey, let me go in first. Stop shoving me in.
You cannot go in.
Why not?
Because go on the outside.
Dude.
What? Go, you mean like go in the truck?
No. I'm going
Whoa!
the
Up
body.
your pants.
Okay.
Does it on camera? It's just one thing that got me tripping. It's just one thing that. Ew! Oh, he's so scared of.
You're just one thing.
Right, go back in. Back, you can go back and forth. Easy. Easy?
Easy!
I just did it.
We're gonna fall off the truck. That'll be good.
No.
Who wants to come up?
Mommy. Now go in, go. Put your foot back. Put your foot back.
What's the point? I'm not actually gonna fall. Like, I'm not gonna pull Mikey. I'm not gonna fall.
I was like pulling you.
No, you're not.
Oh, Matt.
He's not falling at all.
I'm gonna shake the car.
Ow! Jeez!
Matt, come on. Come back. I look, Brady can do it.
No, it was turning.
I can do it. Look, guys, I'm really about to do a quick turn.
That was so cute. Easy!
Easy. I'm gonna do it with 3 people on it too.
Hey, get your worries up.
It's just one thing that got me tripping. Okay, well, we're turning.
No, I can't go back while we're turning.
I just went back while we're turning.
Well, I mean, right here.
I just.
Remember to jump in at the end.
Okay. I actually want to jump off the truck so bad right now. Okay, Matt, open the back door.
I don't want to see that bloodiness. Okay, everybody jump in.
I jumped off a moving vehicle.
Why did she do
That's the only one here who can say he jumped off a moving vehicle. Matt, what do you mean that?
We gotta jump in here.
Matt's actually so proud of, I'm actually proud of you, Matt. I don't think Dad's be very proud of you.